Kia ora, ko Sharon tōku ingoa. We've just finished one of our shows on our tour, and I thought this would be a good example of how to use our book Haere Tonu in context, because if you've got children around you that you're needing to get to help tidy up things, this is a great book for it. Haere Tonu means keep going, and this book is with opposites. So today I'm going to do this page, whakahokia ngā mea ngohe, tidy up the soft things, and then whakahokia ngā mea maro, tidy up the hard things. So mea whakapai, let's tidy up. Ngā mea ngohe, I'll put all those in my bag, all these soft things. Ngā mea ngohe, and then ngā mea ngohe, that's all them. And then I'm going to tidy up the hard things. Ngā mea maro, tidy up the hard things, put them all in the suitcase. And then we're all tidied up, and so that's a way that you can use some of those words when you're doing a tidy up with the children. It's a great tidy up song as well, gets you really going. It's a very dancey one. Taki te.